I think all of us probably live in a world where we're looking for opportunities for improvement. How do we make things better? How can we help our team to perform better in a commercial sense? And one quick tip, if you like, or one suggestion I would make, I think that will bring value to us. It's slightly counterintuitive, and it's not about us as managers or team leaders doing something. It's about us listening to the people on our team. And one quick tip that I would give anybody watching this video is take time, maybe do it this afternoon, sit down with a few of your people and ask them what's their idea. What do they think we can change? What can we do differently? What can we try that might improve our team's performance? And I suspect you might just be surprised by some of the answers that you hear.